Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create white, white place using white screen in CapCut. For example, select one image and go to library, select white screen, add as an overlay put on top, and make it sorter, copy paste, and keep uh, distance, and then copy paste again, and so on until finish the clip. You can see this is the final. It's so simple. That's how you can use this white screen to make the white place in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.